automotive repair, frame straightening.
Ask me why I put so much time into my car when it's 0 degrees and raining. I don't know. Cleaning my car, that is. You gotta ease that. I thought it might break. Howdy.
J Wheelie. Not himself. What is up, everybody? What is up? Should I tell them what we're doing today?
Sure, go for it.
Okay, lads. So, last time you saw this whip, it was way uglier. Still a little ugly, but it was way uglier. And I think we did some gravel drifting, eh?
Yes, we did. That was quite a while ago.
Yeah, that was quite a while ago. But today, we are going to do some real shit. Oh, can't be saying that. Some real drifting. Family channel.
Yeah,
and
that's true.
Take you along. We'll find some good places. It's pretty busy right now, so I don't know how that'll go, but where's Sarah at? We're gonna throw the gloves on for extra sensibility here.
Seatbelt for safety.
Let's wait for Sarah now. Need to wait for some of these trucks to off.
I only got the last little tail of that.
Oh, nuts! Just a little bit. Every time, man!
That was so awesome, holy. When I was looking at the camera, I was scared. When I looked up, I could see where we were going, but holy, pulling some G's.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Go right there.
Okay. He's gonna tap the sign over here. No way. You just ticked it. That's sweet.
I didn't want to hit it.
Yeah.
I wanted to tap it.
I thought you were gonna smack it. Nice one.
No. Hey, holy.
Yeah, I think that gets in the eyes a little bit.
Oh, this is epic. Is that close? Very close. Let's see what happened here.
Ruh-roh.
How bad is
Ruh-roh.
Oh shit, that's quite bad. Okay.
Yeah, I didn't want to say anything. I got it on video though.
Well, we don't need a bumper. That's one thing.
Ruh-roh.
Oh no!
Oh,
The trunk's
I
off.
want to see it.
Oh.
It's okay, Jared,
We
it's okay.
should probably get out of here, eh?
Oh god! Okay, let's get out of here.
I'm sorry, Jared.
Good thing they got these things here.
I know, I told you to get closer.
Let's see how are we gonna get this thing home.
Can you not just
Sheesh.
take feel bad?
All right, at this point, we don't know if this is going on the internet or not yet, but
You know, it's whatever. It meant to happen one day.
how do you feel, Jared?
I'm just glad it wasn't a buddy's quarter panel, you know?
There you go. That's good.
I'm just glad you didn't hit me.
I gotta
I'm
close
being
So-
honest.
1 second, it looks really janky. The door isn't fully closed. There, now we look good. Now it's good. Yo, honestly, I'm digging the no bumper. I do not mind that at all, like at all.
So we got a little bit of damage here. Trunk's not really wanting to close.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do there.
Not gonna lie, like as Jamin says,
Seriously.
if you're gonna do it on video. Like,
Yeah, I know, it's 100% true. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe cut this off? Just cut it?
how is this in so far?
All right, back on the road. No big issues here. Drive straight, good to go.
I think it's fine, dude. Like, the frame is not fine, but I can still send it to the track, no problem.
Back at the repair shop.
You don't know how.
So that is definitely not. Dude, this is crazy. Okay.
That's kind of working.
Spray beamer.
Hit me up for wrap, automotive repair, frame straightening. I feel like 16-year-old Jay when he had a G35. I had to do this to the frame.
16-year-old who?
Jay, me.
Oh.
Me.
We'll see what else you can crash. He just starts it up and goes wild. Damn, that thing looks fun. Give me a wheelie.
He did almost hit it.
This guy's not okay right now. He's going crazy. He just came in twice and just about lost it. Oh my god.
Holy.
This thing is way too much fun.
It's got way too much power.
Oh my god. Okay, let's go see the track.
Let's do that. This thing.
Oh my god.
He is insane. Doesn't it?
You gotta get into power band. Oh, the brakes. Oh, there it is. What did I say?
All right, if you guys actually made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for tuning in. Now, Jared actually has an old YouTube channel, and I've been trying to get him to resurrect it. So it's called Huck It Media. If you want to see him and all the crazy crap that he does, tell him to get his channel going again. Spam his channel, tell him to get it going again. We'll see you guys next time.
Darling, you